Good morning, guys. Happy day at home with your families. I hope you guys are doing well and your families are well too. I am teacher Julissa and this is our English class. Today, guys, we're gonna learn about a funny and interesting topic, and this is the farm animals, los animalitos de la granja. You know, like old MacDonald have a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Yes, the farm. Excellent. Los animalitos de la granja. What animals can we find at a farm? ¿Qué animalitos podemos encontrar en una farm, en una granja? We can find moo. What is that? Moo, that sound. Yes, that is a cow. Cow, excellent. Cows produce milk. Yes, and from milk we get butter. We get cheese, and we also get beef. Very good, excellent. That is a cow. Excellent, cow. But apart from cows, we also can find, guys, dogs. We can find dogs at a farm. Dogs help the farmer to take care of the farm. Los dogs les ayudan a los granjeros a cuidar la granja. Y los animals de la granja, ¿verdad? Hay dogs que son pastores, ¿verdad? Que cuidan de las sheep, de las ovejas. Sheep, ¿verdad? Sheep, oveja. Excellent. An oveja. Sheep, very good. They have wool, and from sheep wool we can take sweaters and all the textile industry and the whole stuff. Excellent. And we also have, guys, ducks. In the farm, we can find ducks. Quack, 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 quack. Yes, los paticos, ducks. Yes, they lay eggs, and then we have little ducks. Y los paticos ponen huevitos, and then we have little ducks. Excellent. But we also find another animals that are kind of dirty, yes? También encontramos otros animales que son un poquito sucios y descuidados. ¿Cómo se llaman? Los que hacen oink, 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 oink. Yes, pig. That is a pig. And pigs, guys, pigs are kind of dirty, but when they are little, they are so cute. But then they become so dirty. Yes, they can eat so many things. Y los pigs comen muchas cosas. Deben comer muchas cosas y sus pancitas no les duelen cuando comen tantas cosas, ¿verdad? What else can we find at the farm? We can also find horses. Yes, horses. And we write horses, horse, caballo, horse. And we also can find donkeys, donkeys, donkey, un burro, donkey. Excellent. Very good, guys. Very good. In the farm, we can also find rabbits, conejitos, rabbits. We can find rabbits at the farm, and we can also find some other animals. Excellent, guys. So let's repeat the animals we can find at a farm. Vamos a ver qué animalitos podemos encontrar. Podemos encontrar cows. Cows. We can find dogs. Dogs. We can find pig, oink, oink, pig, pig. We can find horse, a horse, 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 yes. We can find duck, quack, 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 quack. Yes, we can find dog. What else? We can find donkey. Podemos encontrar burros, podemos encontrar ovejas. Ovejas. Yes, we can find sheep. Sheep at the farm. Yes. And also we can find hens, gallinas at the farm. And roosters y gallos también podemos encontrar. Yes, we can find so many other animals at the farm. Now, guys, I invite you to watch this beautiful video about the farm. Excellent, guys. Thank you, hugs and kisses. And now we're gonna do an activity. Vamos a hacer una actividad y vamos a pegar en nuestro cuaderno los animalitos que hacen parte de la farm. Solo los que hacen parte de la farm, ¿ok? Thank you guys. Mwah. God bless you. Hugs and kisses. Bye bye. See you when I see you.